back on site on a familiar site. It's been a while since I've been here. He bought this place too, so we got to get everything situated. I guess we're gonna put a retaining wall in here. I got to do some demo. This asphalt is gonna stay kind of. If it gets broke up, it gets broke up. But I guess we're gonna go a wall from here all the way out to the alleyway. Drop this parking lot down so it's not so steep. You see my excavator sitting like that, so people can park straight in here. Boom, boom, boom. For this place, and this one will be an upper tier for this place. This is gonna get a rehab. But shed's gotta go, retaining wall's gotta go, and I just gotta notch out something here and put some stone down for filter paper and stone down for AC units. They're gonna get 2 condensers here. There's the lines coming out, the line sets. Level that up for them. Other than that, a couple different phases. Let's see if we got any free prizes in here. No dead bodies, right? That's the main thing. I don't know what's under here. There's some bees. I don't know what that is, but that's got to get out of here. Oh, it's concrete mix. Yeah, that's rock hard. All right, first thing, let's get this stop private parking sign out. All right, made real quick work of that. Tin shed come down nice and easy. Bottom was all rotted out. Just gonna pick up little pieces here and I'm done for this Friday. I got a lot of stuff to get done, but I promised the customer phase 1 demo would be done today. Oh yeah. I got a lot of content that I have footage of the past month of excavating and stuff. I just haven't had time to edit it, but I want to thank everybody, and I mean everybody that subscribed. We hit 70,000 subscribers. That's a huge monument for my small channel, and on our way to 100K. That's the goal. So again, thank you to everybody. And what we will be doing is obviously the giveaway. I got to get that out. We're gonna do that. I don't know if I'll do it live or whatever, but stay tuned to the channel. All right, now we're out of here. I just got rid of this whole gate assembly. Man, you got to go back in those videos. I backfilled all the way from here to the underside of the house, 50 feet by hand. I shoveled that whole thing, all that sand up, 9-foot walls. Unbelievable, because this fence was right here. I couldn't get in. It was all the way. I could only reach so far with the 200. And I had to shovel this whole thing. I mean, I almost died that day.